In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create relaxing music with Suno AI. Our goal is to shape calm, smooth sound textures by keeping three things in check: tempo, instruments, and overall simplicity. We want to avoid busy beats and especially vocals because those pull attention and break the relaxing flow. Think of this as creating a soft, breathable soundscape where every element has room. First, open Suno Create. Log in, click Create, and choose Sample Mode. Sample Mode is ideal for relaxation because it gives you tighter control over the feel of the track, helping you nudge the music towards slower, gentler pacing and simpler arrangements. When you're in this mode, don't rush the setup. A few careful choices now will save you time later and keep the results consistent with a calm mood. Next, set up for instrumental only. This is the most important piece. In the lyrics box, either leave it completely empty or type a clear direction like instrumental only, no vocals. Keeping this field empty or minimal strongly reduces the chance of singing. It also signals to the model that we're aiming for texture and tone over storytelling. If you do add words, keep them short and literal. Long or poetic text can accidentally encourage vocal lines. Now, choose a relaxing style prompt that matches your intention. You can guide the mood with phrases like deep relax or meditation, rain plus piano relaxation, study or focus music, and sleep or deep calm. These prompts help the model latch onto gentle timbres, like warm pads, soft piano, light drones, and subtle ambience. Avoid terms that imply intensity, like heavy drums or aggressive rhythms. And don't forget to check the instrumental option to reinforce the no vocals direction you set a moment ago. When everything looks right, click Create to generate your track. Suno will usually produce two versions with slightly different moods. Take a moment to listen closely. Choose the calmer one, the version with fewer layers, longer sustained notes, and softer edges. You're listening for space, not activity. If one version includes any vocals, skip it. If both feel a bit busy, go back and reinforce your wording with instrumental only, no vocals, and generate again. Subtle adjustments to the prompt or style can make a big difference in how smooth and spacious the result feels. That's it. With sample mode, clear instrumental settings, a relaxing style prompt, and a careful pick between the two versions, you'll consistently create soothing, distraction-free music that's perfect for meditation, study, or winding down.